I'm so excited to be able to share this recipe with you. It's an old one that I've had around for a while. It's for oven-baked buttermilk chicken. If you like fried chicken, you're absolutely going to love this. Way less calories and way less mess, and it's just as crispy and delicious. So let's get started with the recipe. I have marinated 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts in 2 cups of buttermilk overnight. You need to do it for at least 8 hours. So I've got this marinating, and first thing I want to do is spray a baking sheet with non-stick cooking spray. I always use a piece of foil just for the cleanup. You don't have to use foil or parchment, but it does help if you're making a mess. And most dishes like this do make a little bit of a mess. So let's get started. I have 2 cups of just cornflakes, and they need to be crushed. So what I like to do is just take a glass and kind of mush them up a little bit. I imagine you could do this with, shake and bake, or with panko or any other type of breadcrumb. But there's something about the cornflakes that makes them really, really crispy. Alright, so I've got these mashed up just enough to stick. And to it, I'm going to add some grated Parmesan cheese, some dried mustard, gives it a little kick, some dried minced onion. You can use real onion if you want, or fresh onion, but this works just as well because everything is kind of crispy in the dish anyway. A little bit of garlic salt, and a dash of cayenne. So I'm going to mix this all together. And so this is the coating for our chicken breasts. My oven is preheated at 350 degrees, and this will bake for 35 to 40 minutes. So all I want to do is take a breast, let the excess buttermilk drip off, and just coat it in the breadcrumbs. Kind of press it on a little bit and move it to the baking sheet. I'm going to do that with all 4 breasts. Everything is coated. And you want to space them out on your pan. Things bake more evenly if they can get air in between. And one more. This is such a delicious dish, mainly because it's so tender from the marinade of the buttermilk. If you don't have any buttermilk, you can make your own by putting a tablespoon of vinegar in a measuring cup and then filling the cup up to 1 cup line, and that will make buttermilk. You can do that with either a tablespoon of vinegar or a tablespoon of lemon juice. All right, so we have some extra. I think I'm going to put some more crumbs on top. Okay, this is ready to go in the oven, but before we put it in, I want to pour a tablespoon per chicken breast, so this is a half a stick of butter, over each breast. And this will help make it a little crispier. And also, butter gives everything flavor. And that's all there is to it. This is going in the oven, like I said, 35 to 40 minutes, and we'll pull it out. I'll see you in 35 to 40 minutes. I just pulled these scrumptious chicken breasts out of the oven, and I cannot wait to taste. Let's see. Yummy and crispy. And let's take a peek on the inside. Perfectly done and tender. I mean, it's so tender it's about to fall apart. bite. Yummy. You get a little heat from the mustard and from the cayenne, but not too much, just enough. And a good crunch, good crispiness, really nice from the butter. But that buttermilk makes this chicken so tender. Give it a try. You'll never fry chicken again. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.